How to create a Cici account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start creating a new account. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Here, there are different methods with which you can create a new account. You can create a new account with Google using your phone or through Facebook. So it's better you use your Google because it's too convenient. So here I'm tapping on continue with Google. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So here I'm tapping on one. So this will take some time. Now your Google account will be directly linked with the Cici. So all the profile will be set up automatically, and here tap on confirm. So you're logged in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.